Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking you on a journey with me as I travel from SMBT to Howrah on the Durunto Express. Our journey starts with a cab ride to SMBT, encountering Bangalore's traffic along the way. After struggling through Bangalore's traffic, we arrived at the station. As we arrive at the station, the architecture of the place is easy on the eye with high ceilings, wide open spaces, and sloping paths for easy movement. The platforms on the premises are spotless clean, and the subway connecting all platforms is super awesome, with a nice slope for carrying luggage and trolleys. This train holds a special place in my heart as I have traveled on it years ago with my brother when he was just 2 months old. This time we are embarking on a new adventure with my dad, who was a seasoned train traveler, joining us after a gap of 15 plus years.
Legal rights to kill the trespass?
With a vast railway network covering almost every part of the country, the train offers an excellent opportunity to witness the diverse cultures and landscapes of India. The Durunto Express is a long-distance non-stop train, and we boarded it with excitement. From the hustle and bustle of the big cities to the peaceful countryside, the train journey offers a glimpse into the daily lives of the people of India. The journey was great, with reasonably clean coaches and on-time food and cleaning services.
Mommy, can we start eating?
Although the quality of the food is average, the changing landscape outside our window keeps us entertained.
একটু আইডি রাখো না।
The scenery outside the train window changes constantly, providing an ever-changing view of India's landscape. As the train journeys through different states, one can see the subtle changes in the language, cuisine, and customs. The train compartment was usually crowded, and the noise of the train's wheels and the chatter of the passengers creates a vibrant atmosphere. The train journey is not just a mode of transportation, but a unique and enriching cultural experience.
If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. You're missing a lot.
The journey has its ups and downs. The train was running late by 3 hours, but we remained unconcerned, knowing it would recover the time. We cross Andhra Pradesh. Odisha, with the scenic Chilka Lake as a constant companion. We also crossed national highways multiple times, and my dad reminds us that sometime next year we will see the train from those vantage points on our next trip with our Kia Sonet. Although the train never recovered from the lost time and reached Howrah at 9 p.m. instead of 10, we were greeted with the sight of Durga Puja lighting as we entered Howrah.
Yes, it's here.
The weather in Kolkata was sweaty. Here's the view of the Howrah station and the Howrah bridge at that time. The long journey and the delay is the cause that we were so tired, but meeting our grandparents melts our tiredness. We look forward to our stay in Kolkata. Even though it's short, we are excited for the festive season of Durga Puja. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in Kolkata.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.